Have you ever had this happen? You go out to buy something, only to realize you forgot your wallet, but you try and pay with your phone, and it actually works. More and more people today really use cash. No wallet, no credit card, just one smartphone to handle everything. The power behind this convenience is something called FinTech, short for financial technology. It's changing how we pay, how we save, how we invest, and how we interact with money in general. In this video, I will show you how FinTech is quietly but powerfully transforming our daily lives, one tap at a time. One of the most visible and impactful changes brought by FinTech is the rise of mobile payment. Think about it. How often do you still carry cash? In many parts of the world, especially in countries like China, mobile payments are not just common, they are the default. Whether you are buying vegetables at a local market, taking a subway, paying utility bills, or even buying a pancake on a street vendor, most people simply pull out their phones and scan a QR code. Apple, like Apple Pay and Watch Pay, have completely transformed the way people interact with money. You don't need coins, cards, or even a physical wallet anymore. And it's not just happening in China. In countries like the United States, Japan, and many parts of Europe, people are increasingly using Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other wallet apps to make purchases. Thanks to NFC technology, that's near-field communication. You can just tap your phone on a payment terminal and it's done. In fact, even vending machines and parking meters in some cities now accept mobile payments. It's fast, simple, and requires no contact. Mobile payments also help with security. You don't expose your credit card number, and if your phone gets lost, it's your protected. According to a recent report, by 2025, more than half of all global transactions are expected to be made using some form of mobile payment. Behind this transformation is the growing ecosystem of FinTech companies. So the next time you buy coffee, hop on a train, or pay your rent, just think, you might already be relying on FinTech without even realizing it. Aside from making payments easier, FinTech is also helping us manage our money more wisely. In the past, saving and investing felt complicated, but now, thanks to smart apps, even people with little financial knowledge can take control of their finance. There are now many types of personal finance apps that help users budget, save, and invest. One common feature is automatic saving tools. Some apps can automatically manage your monthly income. Tasks for saving, tasks for sending, without you having to thinking about it. Another great example is something called a robot advisor. They are intelligent investment platforms that use algorithms to help you build a personalized investment portfolio. All you need to do is answer a few simple questions about your goals and the risk tolerance, and the app does the rest. Apps like Away, Batman, or Wise are popular robot advisors. They invest your money in ETFs, adjust over time, and offer goal checking, retirement planning, and even tax optimization. I've actually tried some of these apps myself. The biggest benefit is peace of mind. You don't have to reach stocks or follow the market daily. You can still invest for the long term. This platform uses artificial intelligence and big data to help our user invest smarter. That's the power of FinTech, making financial tools simple, smarter, and more accessible. It puts financial control back in the hands of ordinary people, not just bankers or experts. You may have heard of banks like Revolut, Wise, or Revolut. These are called virtual banks. Unlike traditional banks, they have no physical branches and work entirely online. You can open an account in just a few minutes on your phone. Their main advantages are speed, low fee, and convenience, especially for people who travel or deal with international payments. For example, Wise lets you hold and convert multiple currencies like USD, EUR, and CNY at a real exchange rate. These features are great for international students, remote workers, and freelancers. Thanks to FinTech, banking is now faster, easier, and more accessible than ever. Through changes in how we pay, smart tools for managing money, and the digitalization of banking, FinTech has become deeply integrated into our everyday life. It's no longer just a buzzword or a tech trend. It's part of how we live, shop, save, and plan for the future. In the coming years, financial technology will only continue to evolve. We will likely see even more use of artificial intelligence, more data-driven insight to help predict and shape consumer behavior, and possibly even a rise of a completely cashless society where physical money is no longer needed at all. But as with any powerful technology, FinTech means not only convenience, but also responsibility. There are real concerns around data privacy and financial fraud. If our financial lives are going digital, then protecting our digital identity and personal information become more important than ever. That's why education and awareness need to go hand in hand with innovation. So, how do you feel about this transformation? Have you used a FinTech product before? like a digital bank, a mobile payment app, or a robo-advisor. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay informed, stay secure, and stay smart with your money.